Hi guys, let's learn the VLOOKUP function. So what VLOOKUP function does, that it search for a key. Let's say you are defining this as a key, and it looks for the values which you tell the VLOOKUP function to look for. So let's understand it by example. You will easily understand. Let's say there is a field department and you want the phone number for this. So in this, just type VLOOKUP. The first one will the search key. Let's say we want the search key as sales. Now the second column is the range. The range is the total range in which we have to look for, but please make sure that the search key in that range will be the first column. So here we will not select this total, but we'll select in a fashion that the first parameter, the search key, remains in the first column. Now comma again, put comma again, and then the index, what you are looking for. So first index is this, second column is the second index, third column is third index, and so on. So we are looking for phone number in this case. So we'll type 3 and then comma, and here it asks for is sorted or not. Okay, so if your data is sorted, the first data is sorted, then you can type 1 here, otherwise you can type 0. Okay, so if you type 1, then the searches are faster, but if you're not sure about whether it is sorted data, then you can type 0. Close it, hit enter, and here it is, the phone number will be displayed. Okay, you can do this by another example. In this, you write the department name, and here you just type VLOOKUP. Search key is the value in this field. Range will be the total range. Comma, the index is the third, and comma 0. Close it, hit enter. Now whenever you will change this to a different value, it will look up and change the value here. Okay, so this is how it just search for a phone number. So if there is very large set of data, it is very useful function. Now let's see how to make it search in a drop down, which is very easy to use. So what we will do in the first field, what we'll do, we will just click on data, click on data validation, click on add rule. Now in the criteria, we'll select drop down from a range. Okay, just select the whole range here, click on OK, click on done. Now what happens, that if we type VLOOKUP here, search key, we select this field, range similar to this, index third and 0, hit enter, and it gives us phone number. Now keep selecting different thing and it will give you the phone number of different departments. So this is also can be done. Thanks for watching. Please